Welcome to Ultimate Misfires and Mishaps, where we take a look at the funny things that can sometimes happen with guns when you don't handle them safely and properly. Let's take a look.
Not so tough now, Darren Lavis. Spitting game with the wrong. You don't know what you messing with.
So this next clip has got a little bit of language we're not too fond of, so I'm going to go ahead and narrate it. It's what he was really saying in his inner cool kid. Well, look at me, I got a bandana on, a teal bandana. Teal's really hardcore in my neighborhood. I also got a yellow hat and an AK-47. Look at all the bullets I got. I got so many bullets. So many bullets can fit in this little round clip. Put the clip back in the AK-47. That makes it functional. And ooh, look at these big muscles, because I'm so gangster. So gangster with the muscles and this rowing machine right next to me in my parents' bedroom. Oh my God, the AK-47 is going off. It's going off in my hands. Cool kids.
Oh my God. Oh.
Hey, if you own a gun and your other buddy owns a bulletproof vest and you're both stupid, don't hang out with each other.
Live round, see the bullet. 9mm. Get out there. Now.
No, I don't love you, Mom.
Ready? Now, are you willing to do this? Yes?
You will here in a minute.
Let's see it. Take the vest off, dude. That was up, Tony.
Yeah, Tony, that was messed up. Not shooting him in the chest, but punching him afterwards. That's just crossing the line, man. Well, make it up to me with some bloody nipple action.
Holy you missed. Holy Whoa, dude! Is that in you, man?
No, it ain't in him.
How do you feel?
Hang 10.
Hang 10.
I'd like you to notice the weak tribal tattoo. Obviously, he has a history of poor decisions. Now let's take a look at some true professionals. No, I'm not a cop, obviously. But I've watched enough episodes of Cops in the 80s and 90s to realize that when you put a criminal in a cop car, you normally pat him down, handcuff him. Pretty basic. Let's take a look at the most trusting cops of all time. So in case you missed it, that was a gun he just pulled out in the back of a cop car. He did this with ease because he wasn't in handcuffs. So right here, cops started to get a little suspicious, but he's very trusting of this criminal.
What are you kicking something?
I'm kicking something.
Huh?
I'm kicking something.
Stop kicking stuff.
Alright, my bad.
Huh?
My bad.
So that sound you hear is him dropping his gun.
I just don't know what the hell I did wrong.
Okay, I'll just go ahead and casually put my gun back in my pants. Hopefully they don't notice. Oh, God. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, they noticed. Yeah, they definitely noticed.
Let me see your hand. Gun! You got it?
Got it.
You stupid.
Yeah, officer, he's the stupid one. I mean, of course, you are the professional?
Are you kicking something?
Safety tip, remember, always make sure you acquire your target, have a perfect sight picture before you fire, no matter how long it takes. All right, son, fire when ready. You're good to go. Round is chambered. Whenever you're ready. Take your time. It's all clear on the range. You're hot to trot. We're recording. Fire the damn gun, son! Well, patience is a virtue. He missed, by the way. There's a lot of cool stuff out there, but I still don't have something to bond with my friends with. This would be perfect.
Go!
Aw, why can't I mow down like 30 of my friends on a Saturday? I need to find some more friends. Some as accommodating as these guys. Man, I want that. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for joining us. Hey, find a funny video online? Got something at the house? Send it to us at videos@ultimateconcealcarry.com. And remember, always execute proper safety procedures when handling firearms so you don't end up on our show. See ya.